At the coffee shop.
Hi, sir. Welcome to Beans Cafe. What would you like?
I would like a coffee, please.
Okay, sure. Will you have it here, or to go?
Could I have it to go?
Okay, what kind of coffee would you like?
Dark roast. Please.
Great choice. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Sure. Would you like sugar and cream?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Would you like anything else?
No, thanks.
Your total is $5.
Great. Thank you, here is your money.
Okay, sir. Thank you for visiting us. Welcome to Beans Cafe. How can I help you?
Do you have tea?
Yes, we have many kind of tea.
I'll have green tea, please.
Sure. Will you have it here or to go?
I'll have it here. Please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Do you have sandwiches?
Sorry, we are out of sandwiches at the moment.
That's fine. Do you have cookies?
Yes, we do.
Can I have cookies to take away?
Definitely. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Your total is $10.
Thank you. Can I pay with card?
Yes, of course you can.
Can I have the receipt, please?
Here it is.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting us. Hope you enjoy your coffee.
Can I have my bill, please?
Yes, for sure. Your total is $15.
Thank you. I will use my loyalty card points today.
That's great. You should do that more often. You have lots of points left.